We stand at the cusp of a new era, a time where the impossible transforms into the everyday. It wasn't long ago that artificial intelligence, or AI, seemed like a distant dream, something confined to the realms of science fiction. Yet here we are, witnessing its transformative power unfold before our very eyes, particularly in the form of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than just a technological marvel, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a tool that empowers us to communicate, learn, and create like never before. Gone are the days of clunky interfaces and limited responses. ChatGPT ushers in a new dawn of communication, one where language barriers crumble and access to information becomes universal. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to understanding, where ideas can be shared effortlessly across cultures and continents. ChatGPT makes this a reality, fostering global collaboration and understanding in ways we could only have dreamed of just a few years ago. But its impact extends far beyond simply improving communication. ChatGPT is a catalyst for change across industries, revolutionizing how we learn, work, and even receive healthcare. Let's delve into the profound ways ChatGPT is reshaping our world. Education has long been considered the cornerstone of progress, the foundation upon which we build a brighter future. However, traditional education models often struggle to cater to the unique needs of each student. That's where ChatGPT steps in, offering personalized learning experiences tailored to individual learning styles and paces. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personal tutor, available 24/7 to answer questions, provide guidance, and offer encouragement. ChatGPT makes this a reality, empowering students to take control of their education and learn at their own pace. But ChatGPT's impact on education extends far beyond just personalized learning. It can also help teachers streamline their workload, freeing up valuable time to focus on what truly matters, inspiring and nurturing young minds. From providing real-time feedback on essays to creating engaging lesson plans, ChatGPT empowers educators to create more dynamic and effective learning experiences for their students. In the realm of healthcare, ChatGPT emerges as a powerful ally, offering innovative solutions to some of the industry's most pressing challenges. Imagine a world where access to quality healthcare is no longer a luxury but a right, available to everyone regardless of location or income. ChatGPT is making this vision a reality by providing virtual assistance to patients, answering their questions, scheduling appointments, and even offering preliminary diagnoses. This not only improves patient care but also frees up valuable time for healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus on more complex cases and provide more personalized attention to their patients. The potential of ChatGPT in healthcare extends far beyond just virtual assistance. Researchers are exploring its use in drug discovery, disease diagnosis, and even personalized treatment plans. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns, ChatGPT is poised to revolutionize healthcare as we know it, ushering in a new era of AI-powered medicine. Section 4. Business Reimagined. The business world is no stranger to disruption. ChatGPT is rapidly transforming how companies interact with their customers, manage their operations, and even develop new products and services. Imagine a world where customer service is instant, personalized, and always available. ChatGPT-powered chatbots are making this a reality, providing customers with the information they need, when they need it, without the frustration of long wait times or impersonal interactions. But ChatGPT's impact on business extends far beyond just customer service. It's also being used to automate tedious tasks, analyze market trends, and even generate creative content. This allows businesses to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and focus on what truly matters: innovation and growth. In a world where staying ahead of the curve is crucial for survival, ChatGPT offers businesses a powerful tool to navigate the complexities of the modern marketplace and thrive in the age of AI. Section 5. Global Conversations. One of humanity's greatest aspirations has been to break down the barriers that divide us and foster understanding across cultures and continents. ChatGPT emerges as a powerful tool in this endeavor, bridging language gaps and facilitating global conversations like never before. Imagine a world where language is no longer a barrier to communication, where people from different cultures can converse effortlessly, sharing ideas and perspectives without the need for intermediaries. ChatGPT makes this a reality, enabling real-time translation and cross-cultural dialogue. This newfound ability to communicate across linguistic boundaries has profound implications for business, diplomacy, education, and countless other fields. It fosters empathy, understanding, and collaboration, paving the way for a more interconnected and harmonious world. In a world increasingly defined by globalization and interconnectedness, ChatGPT's ability to facilitate cross-cultural communication is not just a convenience but a necessity. Section 6. Navigating the ethical landscape. Like any transformative technology, ChatGPT's emergence is not without its challenges. As with any powerful tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly and ethically, addressing potential pitfalls while harnessing its potential for good. One of the primary concerns surrounding ChatGPT is the potential for bias. Because it's trained on vast amounts of data, any biases present in that data can be reflected in its output. It's essential to address these biases proactively, ensuring that ChatGPT is used to promote fairness, equity, and inclusion, not perpetuate harmful stereotypes. Another challenge is the potential for misuse. Like any technology, ChatGPT can be used for both good and bad purposes. It's up to us, as a society, to establish ethical guidelines and safeguards to prevent its misuse for malicious purposes. By carefully considering the ethical implications of this technology and establishing clear guidelines for its use, we can harness the power of ChatGPT for good, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity. Section 7. ChatGPT, a glimpse into the future. ChatGPT is more than a fleeting trend. It's a glimpse into the future, showcasing AI's transformative power. Imagine AI seamlessly integrating into our lives, solving pressing challenges. ChatGPT is a stepping stone, paving the way for a future where technology empowers us. Join me on this journey of exploration and discovery. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned as we explore AI's impact on our world.